Friends, in this video, we'll just check one application whose name is BlueConnect. So we'll open our Play Store and search for the application. The application looks like this. You can check. Okay. And if you go on the details, the first screenshot, it says BlueConnect events, games, movies, and more. And the next slide, it shows discover upcoming events. I think the events that are happening in Dubai or UAE. And then play trending games and challenge your friends. And this is the UI of the application: games, movies, social media, and watch, share, and enjoy reels from your network. You can play games, earn points, beat high scores, and challenge your friends. It looks pretty good. Okay, explore the latest movies, trailers, and top picks. So what we'll do, we'll just simply install the application and then we will try to log in. Okay, so stay tuned, do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel, and we will check the application step by step, one by one, each and every facilities or functions that are having inside the application. Okay, so the application is opening and will allow the permission for notification. Okay, it looks like this, where we just need to enter our mobile number and then sign in. So let's provide our mobile number. And now we'll just simply click on sign in. I hope the sign in will happen successfully. Okay, we are successfully signed in the application, and one important thing that I would like to tell you, we did not receive any OTP. Okay, we just entered the mobile number and then without OTP verification we successfully signed in the application. The first thing it shows here, UAE New Year 2026, and it is asking to register for this event. So without delaying, we'll just register ourselves, and we have successfully registered. The next event is Stress Test 101, which is happening on Thursday, 1st January 2026. We can also register here. Okay, and then the game, we have got one Ludo game here, and there is an old event showing the Bang tour which happened in Park Hyatt 25th November 2025. So if we click here, the game Ludo opens. So we have got, and this is how the interface looks like, and we can play with our friends, or we can just simply play me versus the CPU. So for now we'll just not play the game, but yes, when you feel free, you can just come and enjoy the game here. So we have got one explore section here. Once we click here, it shows Mr. Nasheed is live, and the global news shows these fireworks at Burj Khalifa, which happened yesterday night, 31st of December 2025. You see? As you can check, I have also received an invitation to play Ludo game, but for now I will just reject this. And we were exploring this explore section, and here are the events that are currently going on, which are live right now. Okay, you see? So this way you can just come and explore the explore section, and it seems like to be like a real section of any Instagram or TikTok, or you can say YouTube shorts. Okay, and the next section is entertainment. If you click here we get three options like games, social media, and the event that has previously happened. So we'll just click here, social media. Once we click on social media, okay, it is the same explore section that we just entered previously. So that means this explore section, and if we go to entertainment, and this social media sections are same. Okay, and after this we have got one more option here called profile. Once we click here, it shows no name because I haven't just entered my name yet. But I think if we just click on the settings option here, okay, here already my mobile number with which I have just signed in, it's showing here, and I can just enter my name. So I will click on the edit option, and here I will enter my name, BipulDas, and I will just choose my nationality. It is India. Okay, and then simply I will update. So once I update, you can check the name and the nationality along with my mobile number has changed. And I will just come back, and here is the option where I can just update my profile picture. So I'll click on this, okay, and I will take this as my profile picture. Okay, so my profile picture is also set, and here this is the application we are talking about, and here is the notification. We'll just click on the notification and let's see what happens in the notification. So guys, we are just like walking through the applications. What are the functions, what are the facilities, what are the settings, what can be done, what can be seen. These are the simple things, but the notification is not opening. So we have been listening about this application BlueConnect since yesterday. Especially for me, I have been knowing about this application yesterday, and I have already registered myself for the event of New Year Eve, which was 31st of December from 4 p.m. and it is not here because I think the event has finished, and the new event which shows UAE New Year 2026 celebration Thursday January 1 2026 starting from 6:40 am. I have already registered myself, and if we click on the details, okay, it shows that it is live now, which is happening, world's largest fireworks from Ras Al Khaimah. Okay, and the next one, if we click on details, it also shows, but it is in testing mode right now, and this is not opening because it shows 25th of November 2025 10 p.m. Bollywood superstars Dabang the Tour Park Hayat, and this has just finished, I suppose, and that is why it is not opening. And it shows here featured games explore more. If you click on explore more, I think more games will open, but as I can check, there is no more games available. It is only Ludo game that I have already previously explored. So I will just try to play once this game. It is loading, and so here is the option like rating. It shows my name, and then play with friends and versus CPU. So for the first time I will play with versus CPU. Okay, so if you click here, he's asking me if I can choose blue or red, so I will go with blue because blue is my favorite color. And then it is like this. It is like same Ludo King game, and then again, yes, this is the red is for the CPU, and we are just playing the game here. Okay, this is good. So it's our turn, and I have already, okay, now it is 3. I will go with this, and the CPU is playing. CPUs, all these are inside the home only. Okay, now 3. So this is how the game goes, and I hope everyone has played this game called, it is not going back. Why? I have to play the full game. If I need to play the full game, then it is not good. I should be having the option to quit. Oh my god, so we are having problem here, guys. There is no option to quit, as because I don't want to play. So there should be option of quitting the game, and there is no option to quit the game, and I'm not liking this feature. I hope no one likes the feature if you don't have option to quit, but no option is, you see. Okay, we'll just cancel the full application and then try to open it again. So this was BlueConnect, my friends. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel, and do let me know how do you like this application in the comment section. Thank you so much again. See you in the next video.